Hello, I'm Elif, and this is my school. Hello?
Hi, Elif.
Okay, kids, I'm your teacher. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Zainab.
Nice to meet you, Zainab.
Hello, my name is Ali.
Nice to meet you, Ali.
Hello, my name is Elif.
Nice to meet you, Elif.
Good morning. Good morning, Yusuf.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Zainab.
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
Classroom objects.
What's in your bag, Ollie?
This is my pencil case. This is my pencil. This is an eraser. This is a ruler. This is my English book. This is a glue stick. These are my scissors.
Classroom language. Sit down. Stand up. Open your books. Close your books. Listen. Repeat. Pencil.
Pencil.
Right? Apple. People at school.
I am a student. She is a teacher. He is a headmaster. She is a secretary. He is a janitor.
Places at school.
This is my classroom. This is the teacher's room. library. This is the canteen. This is the sports hall. This is the school garden. This is the playground.
Days of the week.
There are 7 days in a week. What day is it today?
It's Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday is reading day. Today is Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Today is Friday. Friday is fun day. Today is Saturday. Saturday is for play. Today is Sunday. Sunday is family day.
Thank you for watching.